Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to Bybit. This is the only way to move your digital assets between these two platforms, as direct account linking is not supported. The process involves a secure blockchain transaction, similar to sending an email, but with valuable digital funds. It is crucial to carefully follow each step to ensure your assets arrive safely. We will cover everything from finding your deposit address to confirming the transfer, making the entire process straightforward for you. First, open your Bybit application or website and log into your account. Look for the Assets or Deposit section, usually found in the top right corner or under your profile. Here, you will select the exact cryptocurrency you intend to transfer, for example, Bitcoin or Tether. Crucially, choose the correct blockchain network, like the Binance Smart Chain's BEP20 or Ethereum's ERC20, to ensure compatibility. Then, copy the unique deposit address provided, and note any memo or tag if required for certain assets. Now, open your Trust Wallet application and select the identical cryptocurrency you chose on Bybit. Tap the Send button, which will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Carefully paste the Bybit deposit address you copied earlier into this field. Next, input the precise amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Before proceeding, thoroughly review all transaction details, including the network fee, which is typically a small amount, often less than $1, paid in the native network coin. After reviewing, confirm the transaction within your Trust Wallet using your passcode or biometric authentication. The transfer will then be broadcast to the blockchain and typically takes anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes to process, depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Bybit funding or spot account, ready for trading or other actions. Remember, always double-check the cryptocurrency, network, and deposit address before initiating any transfer to prevent irreversible loss of your valuable assets. This diligence is key.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.